In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personalized dashboard using Wix Velo, all while working in the Chrome browser. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding by the end of this tutorial. First, start by opening the Wix editor in Chrome. If you're not familiar, the Wix editor is a versatile platform that allows you to design stunning websites effortlessly. It's crucial to ensure your browser is up to date for the best experience. Once the editor is open, we'll begin by enabling Wix Velo, also known as Developer Mode. This tool is essential for adding advanced functionality, such as creating dynamic pages. You can activate Developer Mode by clicking on the Dev Mode toggle at the top menu of the editor. Don't worry if this is your first time using it. It's a powerful feature that will unlock a lot of potential for your project. With Developer Mode enabled, it's time to create a new dynamic page. This type of page is key to displaying user-specific data, making your dashboard personalized and interactive. To do this, click on Add from the left-hand menu, then navigate to Page and select Dynamic Page. This will prompt you to set up a database collection where your site will store all the user-specific information needed for the dashboard. Now let's design your dashboard layout. Imagine this as the hub where users will interact with personalized data. You'll want to include elements such as data tables, graphs, or text boxes that reflect user-specific information. Drag and drop these elements onto your page, arranging them in a way that's both visually appealing and easy to navigate. Aim for a clean, organized look that enhances user experience. Once your layout is in place, the next step is crucial: connecting your page to your site database. This connection is what allows the dynamic content to change based on each user's unique data. Click on an element, then use the Connect to Data panel on the right side of the editor to bind it to the appropriate database field. This ensures that when a logged-in user views the page, they see data relevant to them. Speaking of logged-in users, you'll want to set permissions to restrict access to your dashboard. This is important for protecting personalized content. Navigate to your site settings and find the Permissions section. Set your dynamic page so that only users who are logged in can view it. This ensures privacy and keeps sensitive data secure. Finally, let's save and publish your work. It's always a good practice to save your progress frequently, so click Save to ensure all your hard work is preserved. Once saved, hit Publish to make your site live. This step will push all your changes to the web, ready for your users to experience the personalized dashboard you've created. And there you have it, a fully functional, user-specific dashboard on your Wix site, crafted using Velo. Congratulations on reaching the end of this tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps as you continue to develop your skills in Wix.